Honda Two-Wheelers India have gone for a different approach with their premium big wing dealership. What we have here today is their all-new Highness CB350. The motorcycle boasts of a host of features, Bluetooth equipment and a brand new engine. So let's check it out.
The Honda Highness CB350 is the brand's first premium cruiser motorcycle in the 350cc segment. The CB350 comes with a retro modern design theme inspired by the brand's iconic CB range from back in the day. The motorcycle features a lot of chrome elements all around. This includes the headlamp covers, front and rear fenders, handlebars, exhaust pipes, tail light surrounds, and on the engine as well. The front end of the Highness CB350 is characterized by the LED headlamp. The main unit is flanked on either side by circular LED turn signals. There is also plenty of chrome which can be seen on the front fender, on the telescopic suspension, and also on the surrounds of the headlamp unit. The Highness CB350 comes with black finish alloy wheels which complete the look at the front. The 15-litre sculpted fuel tank immediately draws the attention when viewed from the side. The dual-tone paint scheme offered on the top-spec model are subtle but add character to the overall design. The tank also features the heritage-inspired Honda logo on the fuel tank, replacing the Honda wings featured on most modern motorcycles. The motorcycle can be seen sporting a single-piece seat with the Highness CB350 badging below. The Highness CB350 also features the chrome-finished rear fenders, which neatly integrates the housing for the LED taillight with the circular LED turn indicators on either side. Moving away from the design, the Honda Highness CB350 can be seen with a single-pod instrument cluster featuring an analog speedometer. There is also a small digital display which offers a host of additional information such as average fuel efficiency, distance to empty, gear position indicator, and a couple of others as well. Next to the speedometer, the CB350 also comes with telltale signs for the side stand indicator, ABS, turn signal, engine check light, and the segment first traction control system, which the brand likes to call as Honda Selectable Torque Control.
So we've ridden the motorcycle a fair bit and here's what we like. The first is the design. The Honda CB350 comes with a modern retro look which feels period correct. Second is the engine and transmission. The Honda CB350 now features a 349cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine which pumps out 21 bhp and 30 Nm of torque. It comes mated to a 5-speed manual gearbox. Third on our list is the top-notch build quality. The overall fit and finish of the CB350 is really good. Fourth are the connected features offered on the CB350. The motorcycle comes with Bluetooth connectivity which offers the rider call alerts, message alerts, and even navigation. Finally, talking about the safety features, the CB350 now comes with variable traction control and dual-channel ABS as standard. While these are the features which impressed us the most, there are certain elements which could have been improved, starting with the LED headlamps, which we feel could have offered better throw and intensity. Second is the USB charging port, which on the CB350 comes with a Type-C connector instead of the standard Type-A. Third on our list is the pillion seat, which we feel is a bit on the firmer side.
Coming to the most important question, how is the Highness CB350 to ride? The motorcycle provides an extremely positive first impression. The brand new 349cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine is extremely smooth and well refined with absolutely no vibrations whatsoever creeping up to the rider. The refined engine with the raspy exhaust note makes the Honda Highness CB350 a joy to ride both in the city and out on the highway. The motorcycle provides a good low-end torque but still manages to struggle past a tall speed breaker in second gear. The Honda Highness CB350 feels extremely well balanced, with the rider hardly feeling the 181 kg curb weight of the motorcycle. The CB350 feels planted and stable at all times, further boosting the confidence of the rider to push even harder without hesitation. The seating on the motorcycle is also comfortable, with the seats offering good cushioning for both the rider and the pillion. There is also a small grab rail at the back for the pillion to hold on to. Braking on the motorcycle is via disc brakes at either end. This helps the motorcycle to come to a stop rather quickly, with sufficient bite offered at all times. While we couldn't test out the exact mileage figures during our time with the motorcycle, the readout on the instrument cluster indicated an average fuel efficiency of around 29 km per litre, which is fairly decent for a motorcycle this size.
So there you have it. That was our take on the Honda Highness CB350. The motorcycle is offered in two variants, the Deluxe and the Deluxe Pro, with a starting price of 1.85 lakh ex-showroom. Hope you liked the video. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned to all our social media channels. Until next time.